We have really a wild weather today. Finally, the rain comes today. Right on time because it's hot today. And the projection yesterday, when I hear in the radio, the news that it will rain today. Finally, it drops. As you can see the clouds. It's a clear sky, but it's kind of weird. It's really a wild weather today. I'm sure this will not last long. Maybe only 10 or 15 minutes, but the water for the rain pours a lot, including with addition of lightning and thunder. It's shaking up our office here in the site, but it's good. Work, everything is inside. Not everybody is, or not anyone is working outside. It's good, at least it cooled down because the projection temperature today is above 80, but since it rains, it cooled down easily. Thanks for the rain. And also California needs the rain also, because it's kind of drought here in California and maybe in other states too. We need really water, fresh water to fill up the dam. So that's all I have experienced today. It's really weird. First rain in June, and I heard some of my friends, there is hail falling in the freeway when we drive going on this on our jobs. Lucky we don't have hail. That's not really big. Actually, it's like a quarter in size. But this rain only ended after 15 minutes. It pours, it continues. You can hear the sound of the thunder and lightning. You can see here, asphalt is wet and it pours a lot. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know why it rains in the mountain. So that's all I can share. Really wild weather for today, and for sure after the rain you're gonna see sunny again. It's just passing by. This is what you're gonna see after it rains for 15 minutes. It's just like a regular day. Clouds is clear and no more rain. And it's very humid. And they projected temperature will go up like above 80 degrees. I like to have it rain all the time. At least it cooled down, but didn't last that long. 15 minutes is what they gave to us. I feel like I am in a tropical country. I miss the rain. After the rain, it's all clear sky. Thank you for watching.